That is some kind of little hawk. Maybe that's one of the ravens still. There are two ravens. You can easily see. There was a third one earlier. Not sure where he went. But anyways, they were fighting with that guy right there. Oh, there's the third one. Let's see if they keep fighting. This is crazy. Oh, I can't hold it steady. I'm all jittery. That one's pretty docile. Let's see what. Or nope, those are the ravens. I think they just. Yep. Ravens are defending their turf. There's two of them. There's the other two. There was a little hawk, maybe a peregrine falcon they were trying to beat down earlier. Can't find him anymore, so this video is kind of disappointing. I wonder how close they'll let me get. This is just my camera phone, and it's kind of... not the best to film with. But yeah, they don't seem to care about me much. Maybe I can get close. Oh, nope, there's the falcon. That was the falcon. I hope I got it. I lost him behind the tree. Yep, you won, homie. You're right. I think they're ravens just from the size, but they might be crows. I don't know. Oh, there they're going after him again. The lower one, if you can see it, the lower one of the three is the falcon. No, he's flying away. Ravens are cool.